saying that they can use fear to be good. Shifu, this is too low. This is beer for girls. You gotta strong. I get it. Okay. Keep close. Keep balance. Up. Next movement we call the 卧靴. 卧靴 means sleeping without shoes. It's too hard for me, I cannot do it. But I show you its meaning. Okay, here we make our heel on the ground and then we bend. Yeah, forwardly. It's very important for inner strength system. It can help you to make your kidneys strong. And kidney is very important. You don't know about that. Without kidneys, okay, up, change. Up, one more time. Just today, I want to teach you more things different from the classes yesterday. Up, change. Up. Now, next movement. We do this one. Try it. Take your arms totally onto the ground. But don't split your butt. Actually, you already split. Okay, change. Yeah. When you were 7 or 8 years old, it's very easy for you. How come? After 30 years. Okay, one more. Okay, make your palm to the ground. Yeah. Ready? Change. 1, 2, 3. Speed up. 1. Smile. 2, 3, 4. 2 more. 1, 2. 2 more. 1, 2. Okay, no more. Okay, up. Here. Next movement. Next one. Now we are superheroes. We cannot become Spider-Man. Okay, down. Make your fingers to backward and touch onto the ground. Raise up your neck and smile. Okay? Now you feel a little bit uncomfortable. Yes. You want to? Okay, look at me. You're gonna get something from China. Okay, hold your ankles. Yeah. You're my instructor now. Now, look at me. Use your elbows, push against your knees.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Water. Okay. Okay. Now you think your butt is going to split it apart, right? Okay. Wait. Look up. Vibrate our arms vertically and horizontally. 3. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold up. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Jump. Okay. Finish. You're great. Want to dad? Okay. These movements are very, very important for our daily life. Before we practice Kung Fu, if you have a good master, okay.